I dare you to name one thing we can't fix.
My heart.
Amanda? Amanda? What do you want to do?
I don't care. I don't feel right.
How about an adventure?
What do you think? I want to go on an adventure right now. Are you even paying attention? I feel weird. Leave me alone!